My name is Leslie Palmer.
Chris Damore, and we live in Fullerton, and this is for Horizon Construction, who just completed our double bathroom remodel. We wanted this one in here, our main guest bathroom, with a bit of a southwestern flavor, and we were able to get it done in a good amount of time. David from the company was really responsive, and all the problems that may have popped up, we got fixed really quickly, and the company was very responsive. We're very happy with our tile and the vanity that we chose, and with the workmanship done in here.
Horizon's really great. When we were trying to pick our vanity and we weren't sure about what size we needed and things and details about it, David was, while we were at the showroom picking things out, he was like texting with us like on and off throughout half of our visit, trying to help us get all the details right. So that was really important to me and really impressive to me that he was that involved with our project.
And the workers were very professional and asked us questions, and we felt good having them in our house.
Yes, very safe and comfortable with them. And we're really happy with our wood/ceramic floor, as well as our kind of Western rustic tile in our shower. We wanted a look that kind of stood out, but also went with the rest of our house, and this kind of fit the bill.
So now we'll show you our other bathroom.
Sure, I will be right after. I just want to make a close-up on this beautiful and unique tile. And this vanity, this is a tub. And here is the vanity. This beautiful sparkling countertop.
So this one's a very small bathroom. It's original design of a house from the 50s, but we wanted more of a modern look back here. And we did subway tile in the shower, a pattern on the floor and in the shower floor, and a more modern vanity and look in this bathroom here.
We kind of wanted to pay homage to the 50s style, so we kind of wanted to combine a modern look as well as a retro look. So we were able to Horizon, find this great dot tile, polka dot tile, and combine it with the subway tile, and also put so gray and black and white theme. And we're really happy with all of the work in here as well. It's a different look, but it was installed professionally, and we had support from Horizon all the way through, and so we're really, really happy with it.
Oh,
and my wife's a big fan of the children's book Harriet the Spy, so we had some Harriet the Spy tiles.
Yes, I will show it in a second. It's
Horizon
beautiful.
was able to install.
A great little custom feature for us for our bathroom, so that was really awesome too.
Oh, let me show everybody. Oh.
You got it?
Yeah. Here is the beautiful vanity with shiny sparkle marble on top. And here is this floor. White and black dots. And here it is. Let me show you. Close up. Here is this book tiles. It's so unique.